she's flicky today. Toss toss. Please tell me in the comments if you got that reference. Please, 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 please. Oh, I'll never be Glinda. I do want to be Alpha, though. Put it out to the universe. I make myself laugh so bad. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a little hairstyle tutorial, how I style my bangs, my fringe, my bangs, my bangs, my fringe, how I style these little things. And yeah, I don't do anything fancy. It's just what I do on the daily basis. Sometimes I don't do this at all and I just shove my hair up in a bun. So yeah, so this is when I actually want to put a little bit of effort into my hair, and I have been getting so many comments over on Instagram on how I style it. I actually don't do anything fancy at all. It's just my straighteners, my hairdryer, my brush, and just a few little bits and bobs. But if you want to know how I get this look, then let's get into the video. So to start with, I have my hair, it's a little damp. I've had a shower, I've done my makeup, I've got ready, just got my hair to do. So let's get on to styling my hair and my curtain bangs. I think it's funny because I always used to call it fringe, and I feel now all of a sudden it's bangs. Correct me if I'm wrong, I think that's the American term. I prefer bangs because I feel that's like styling my bangs rather than styling my fringe. Styling my bangs, styling my fringe. It's like bangs. Anyway, so when I get into the shower and just wash my hair on the daily, I use the Garnier hair food in banana and coconut. I honestly, so I've got the shampoo one there, and the conditioner there. When I say these smell incredible, I really wish smell-o-vision was a thing. Do you remember those sweets, the banana foam sweets? I love them. That's what these remind me of. But since using this, my hair's been perfect. And then when I get out of the shower and my hair's damp like this, which I need to do now, I use the Phillip Kingsley Daily Damage Defense, which is this gorgeous little bottle. I love the Phillip Kingsley packaging. It's so, so good. And every couple of days, I use the Bond Builder for split ends, and I literally just do a couple of little pumps, rub it in and use it on the ends of my hair. But now I'm going to go in and use this. I do a couple of sprays. It's actually the first time I'm doing my hair on camera, so I'm going to be looking up in the little viewfinder at the top. It smells so good. I'm such a sucker for my hair smelling really nice. I just also want to put out there, I am not a hairstylist. I do this all off the cuff. So I just use my paddle brush. It's just I think it's the Elegant Ego Conscious bamboo brush. I don't know where I got it from, I've had it for years. And I just brush my hair back just so it's all nice and straight. There we go. And then I will find my middle parting, which I can see right here on my head. That's literally where I put the paddle brush and go like this. Just like that. And then I grab my little claw grip and I put back the long bits of my hair, a little bun like that, and let the fringe bits fall out. Any long bits around here, just like this. This is literally what I do when I come out the shower. And then I just brush it all forward and then pull that up. I also did want to say that I actually hacked in my fringe myself. I don't recommend it. I'm finding it impossible at the minute to book into a hairdresser's. I was just bored one night and I just decided to go. I also do want to say that Jamie Genevieve had a huge influence on me cutting my hair, because I just keep watching her videos and I'm like, oh, I want something different, you know? I just have dead straight, naturally straight hair anyway, and it's really thick, and I just wanted to do something with it. So just one night I just chopped it off. I kind of need to stop, but also at the same time I don't, because I really enjoy cutting my own hair. I probably should go to the hairdressers, and I will eventually, but for now I'm good with cutting my own. I don't cut my actual hair, only the fringe. So now I will use my hairdryer and my straighteners. I just have a Revlon hairdryer with the little spout at the end, and then I've got my BaByliss straighteners. I'm not very high tech with things like that. What I do now, brush it all in, brush it all down again, and then I take the hairdryer, I will blow it straight down this way, to the left and to the right until it goes dry, basically just so it goes really flat here. So I'm going to do that now and probably put some music over the top so you don't hear the hairdryer. And then this is where I feel like I should probably get one of the round brushes, because I feel like I could get more of an effect, but I just haven't got around to getting one. But this will do for now. So I just pull, whilst my fringe is almost dry, I just pull my fringe like this, pop the paddle brush underneath just like that. Oh no, I've done it in the wrong hand. Pop the paddle brush under just like that, and I will gently... This is how I like it, where it's like a little bit curled. You can't really see me. It's a little bit curled, but not massively. So then I will find the middle, but you kind of make one. That's fine for me. And bear with, it's a process. So now I'll take down the rest of my hair and I'll just quickly do the rest of my hair and I'll get back to you on the next little steps. Hairdressers, feel free to give me some tips because I would be more than appreciative. So now once my hair is all dry, this is my hair just naturally dry, naturally straight. I have a really thick hair. I don't know if you can tell on camera, it's so thick. If I go to curl it, that will take hours. I might do a curling video maybe one day, but I can never do it right, so straight it is. And I feel like my hair, typically straight, is great. So now that's done, I obviously naturally separate it. It's kind of hard because obviously I've blow dried it straight down, so it's a little bit harder to keep it to the sides. Now this is where I go to straighten my hair and everything just falls into place. So now moving on to the actual styling of my bangs. I don't really have a specific technique for this. I don't know if there is a technique. I don't know if I'm doing it right, but this is the way I do it. So I will literally just kind of pull out but curl under, but not fully curl, kind of arch. You'll see when I do it, and I do it on the left side and then I change and do it on the right side too, just so I can get this nice kind of like puffy bang kind of volume, big puffy kind of front situation going on. So I will firstly just, I don't really have a specific technique for this main part of my hair. I just kind of curl it under, but not curl, just so it's got like a nice little flick like that. And because my hair is so thick, it will just drop out by the end of the day. But I literally just kind of do that because I like the kind of flickiness of it. I just think it's quite cute. And yeah, then I'll just do it on this side too. And then we'll get into the bang. So I just kind of fiddle around with it until I like it, really. That's kind of, I think that's my little trick, is that you just kind of fluff around until you like how it looks. So the first thing I do, I'll grab this side of my bang, the left side, and I will just kind of arch and curl, just like that. Slowly, but arch and curl. So it just kind of does this. Flicks a little bit. It's really hard doing it without a mirror, like a massive mirror in front of me, but I'm working with it. I'm trying. Then I just kind of pick little segments like this, and depending how I want them to look on that certain day, I will do it a bit more or spend a bit more time on it. It just drops out by the end of the day, really, 9 times out of 10. And sometimes I over curl if I'm going somewhere or I want it to last a bit longer. I'll over curl it just so it drops out slowly throughout the day. And then this side, I always struggle. Does anyone else have a side that they just can't really do as well as the other side? I suppose it's kind of like when you do eyeliner, it's a bit tricky. It never really goes to plan, or I think it's more of it never really goes as well as the other side, which is a bit annoying, but we'll work with it. That's literally what I do. Yeah, just like that. Again, I'll just like go through, like fiddle with any bits that I'm not really sure of or anything like that. But I will then just turn my straighteners off. So that's all I do. I don't really do anything else majorly fancy. I mean, I don't have all those fancy gadgets. I wish I had those fancy gadgets, but I don't. So I make do with what I have. And yeah, so that's the finished product. And then if I want my hair to last a little bit longer, I will go in and use the Pantene Perfectly Undone Texturizing Hairspray. So what I use with this is I will just squirt a little bit into my hands, because it's like more liquefied rather than aerosol. Rub it in so it's sticky, push down on my little flyaways at the top, rub it in the bangs like that, and just fluff the hair. That's literally all I do. Just like this, check it out. That's it, everyone. That is how I style my bangs. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry about the terminology, the techniques, the little bits and bobs. I mean, if you just want to watch the video and just see what I do, there you go. So if you enjoyed the video, please give it a big thumbs up and drop a message in the comments. I'd love to know if anyone has any tips and tricks on how they style their bangs, or anything that I could do better. Please tell me, because I'm always looking for new ways to try out things. I mean, I'm that impulsive that I just decided to cut my hair one night, but hey ho. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you again very, very soon. Please let me know if there's any more videos like this potentially that you'd like. I will see you all so soon, and have a lovely day. Mwah. Bye guys.